Is now a good time to refinance your mortgage in September 2025? With rates shifting, the housing market cooling, and the Fed on the verge of a policy change, it's a question many homeowners are asking. Let's break it down. Mortgage rates have finally pulled back after 2 years of punishing highs. The average 30-year fixed mortgage rate now sits around 6.3 to 6.4%, the lowest level we've seen in nearly a year. That's down from the 7% range we saw just a few months ago, and a huge relief for buyers and homeowners alike. So should you refinance? The answer depends on 3 things: your current rate, your financial goals, and how long you plan to stay in your home. If you locked in a mortgage during the 2023-2024 peak, chances are you're paying closer to 7% or higher. Dropping even half a percentage point can save you hundreds of dollars a month and tens of thousands over the life of the loan. In that case, refinancing right now could make sense, especially if the savings outweigh the closing costs. But here's the catch. The Federal Reserve is expected to cut rates on September 17th. If they follow through, mortgage rates could fall further in the months ahead. That means refinancing today locks you in at a decent rate, but waiting could unlock an even better deal. It's a trade-off between saving now or holding out for potentially lower rates later. Another factor is your timeline. If you plan to stay in your home for the long haul, refinancing now to lower your monthly payments could provide stability and cash flow relief. But if you expect to move in the next few years, the upfront costs of refinancing may not be worth it. Don't forget credit scores, debt levels, and equity also play a role. Lenders are still strict, and the best rates are reserved for borrowers with strong credit and at least 20% equity in their home. So, is it a good time to refinance in September 2025? For many homeowners paying above 6.5% or 7%, yes, you can already lock in meaningful savings. But if you're comfortable waiting, you may want to see how the Fed's decision plays out, because another rate dip could make refinancing even more attractive later this year. Either way, run the numbers, shop around with multiple lenders, and weigh your costs carefully. Refinancing is never one size fits all, but in today's market, opportunities are opening back up after 2 years of pain. So what would you do? Refinance now or wait and see? Drop your take in the comments, and let's see how homeowners are thinking in 2025. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more housing and finance updates, and hit the bell so you never miss what's next.